Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the vibrant world of the Tetra ColorFusion Aquarium 20-gallon fish tank kit, a perfect blend of style and functionality for any fish enthusiast. This stunning aquarium kit includes everything you need to create a mesmerizing underwater paradise, featuring a 20-gallon glass tank, a sleek aquarium hood, and a reliable UL heater to maintain the perfect temperature for your aquatic friends. The Tetra Whisper 20 filter ensures crystal clear water, while the ColorFusion Universal Color Changing LED transforms your aquarium with a captivating light show, allowing you to pause the cycle on any color for a truly customized experience. Watch as the included Wonderland plant multipacks and blooming white anemone come to life under the LED glow, creating a dynamic and enchanting environment for your fish. The swaying anemones not only add visual interest but also provide a cozy hideaway for your fish to relax and feel at home. With the Tetra ColorFusion Aquarium Kit, you're not just setting up a fish tank, you're crafting a living masterpiece that will captivate and inspire. So, whether you're a seasoned aquarist or just starting, this kit offers everything you need to bring your aquatic dreams to life.